I will show you how to install APK files on iOS. Before we get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, we have to open any browser. For example, I am opening a Safari browser. If you want to download or install tutor app from here, for example, we write here tutor app. So scroll it down, here you may download this. You scroll it down, click here on download, click here. So guys, you can check that this app is downloading here. So open this and open downloads. So guys, you can check that YouTube is downloading. You have to wait for a few seconds. Now you can check that our download has been completed. Now click on your app. So you may check that we are unable to install this third-party app or APK file on your or iPhone. So now what you have to do? So guys, third-party apps or APK files are designed only for Android phones, and these are not installed in iPhone or iPad or any iOS gadgets. So you are unable to download or install APK file or third-party apps on your iOS. So simply now go back, scroll it up. So you may check here that YouTube app is available on App Store. So you may click here on this link, or you may simply open your App Store and you may search this app from here. So click here, that is, this link will redirect to your App Store and you can download or install this app from your App Store in your iPhone or iPad easily. So you will check that this app is available here, and I have already downloaded this. So you may click here and download this and use this via original and authentic way, and you may not install or unable to install this app from APK file. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.